Myself Karthik Nadkar. I am going to explain definitions of money and contingent functions.
Myself Irfan Mandewali, I explain the topic qualities of money.
Myself Dost Silsile, I explain the types of money.
Myself Anikul, I have explained difficulties in barter system and functions of money as well as concept of value.
Yes.
Good morning, everyone. Our topic name is money. Money is anything. Money is any object that is generally accepted for payment, as payment for goods and services, and repayments of debts into socio-economic context. Invention of money is one of the most important inventions out of various inventions in the world. Money is useful in our daily life. Modern economy is dependent on
Come to here for presentation. When you come
Modern
here.
economy is dependent on money. Money which is circulation today is created to reduce the difficulties in barter system.
Barter scheme refers to exchange of goods for goods. In barter system, there are many difficulties. In older times, there are a problem of double coincidence of bonds, lack of common measure of value, difficulties in storage of goods, indivisibility of certain goods, problem of making deferred payment. One by one, we will see all the problems. First one, lack of double coincidence of bond. In older days, lack of double coincidence of bonds was a major limitation for barter system. In this problem, for example, Mr. A has rice and he wants wheat in exchange of rice. But Mr. B has wheat but he does not want in exchange of rice. In this situation, their wants clashes and exchange between them do not take place. Second one, lack of common measure of value. In exchange of goods to goods, there was no any standard of unit of account to measure any commodity. It was very difficult to measure 2 liters of milk for 2 kilograms of rice. Third one, difficulty in storage of goods. Certain goods which were in perishable in nature, for example, vegetables, egg, milk, they can't be stored for a long time, so they should be conserved as early as possible. So it give rise to difficulty, indivisibility of certain goods. Here, if Mr. A wants a goat on exchange of a sack of wheat, but Mr. B wants in exchange of good only half sack of wheat. In this situation, due to indivisibility of goat, the exchange cannot take place. Problem of making deferred payments. Deferred payment means payment should be made in future. Perishable goods like vegetables cannot be repaired as and on the same condition in future. So it was very difficult to pay the loan in the barter system. Now we will see the definitions of money.
Definitions of money are given by many economists. From that, these are two economists, Professor Crowther and Walker. Professor Crowther says that money is generally acceptable as a medium of exchange, or it is a store of value or a measure. Another is Professor Walker. He defines money as money is anything that can be generally, money is what money does. आता हे सांगायला गेलं तर मनी ते आहे जो मनी सारखा वागतो. जास्त मोठा पॉईंट होता
Types of money, there are 8 types of money. In that was annual money. In 8 animal money was used as a medium of exchange. Example, cow, sheep, goat, etc. It is due to their indivisible nature. Due to the indivisible nature, commodity money came into existence. Commodity money in older days, the commodity money was used as a means of exchange. Due to For example, steam, grains, shells, feeders, rare articles, stones were used as a medium of exchange. Due to the storage of exchange, medium of exchange, due to the storage, metallic money came into existence. Metallic money used durable metals such as silver, copper, etc. However, scarcity of precious metals such as gold gave rise to the use of metallic coins. Metallic coins in ancient times, rulers of various kingdoms used small pieces of metals and affix their seals on them. Coins can be classified into two types. Standard coins, face value is equal to intrinsic value. These standard coins are made up of precious metal. Token coins face value is not equal to intrinsic value. It is higher. These coins are made up of cheaper coins. Paper money. Paper money was a substitute for a metallic money in course of time. Paper consists of paper currency issued by the Central Bank of the India. Central Bank of the India. Currency notes issued by the government, by the Central Bank of India (RBI). After that, bank money or credit money. Bank money refers to deposit which are in the form of cash stored by the people. It is easily withdrawable and transferable to the on demand or by means of check and demand draft. It plays an important role in an economic development. Plastic money, debit cards and credit cards are used as a plastic money due to the advanced technology. Debit card, this is nowadays used in day-to-day life. This also plays an important role in plastic money. Electronic money. E-money or electronic money is a monetary value stored and transferable electronic through a variety of means, that is mobile phone, tablet, etc. It is part of our daily life. We use day to day this into our life.
There are 7 types of qualities of money. General acceptability. Anything that is used as money is easily accepted for exchange purpose. Second point, divisibility. Money can easily be divided into smaller denomination for smaller transactions. Durability. Currency notes and coins that are used repeatedly and shall continue to show for years on account of durability. Recognizability. Money must be easily recognized for every person, by every person. Portability. Money it should be easily carried from one place to another for exchange goods. Homogeneity. Money of a particular denomination must be identical with each other. Stability. Money should be stable for its monetary use, and it serves as a value of exchange of goods and services. Thank you.
Functions of money. First one is primary function. There are 2 types of primary function medium of exchange. The most important function of money is to serve medium of exchange, any goods or commodity purchased or sold for money. Second one is measure of value or unit of account. Price is the value of commodity expressed in term of money. Different currencies are used to express the value of commodity in different countries like yen in Japan, rupees in India, dollars in USA, and etc.
Second function of money is secondary function. Here in this, first is standard or default payment. As we have discussed in barter system, taking loan was easy, but repayment of that debts was very difficult. Money has overcome this difficulty, as it can be easily we can pay the debts of any person in future or any organization. Second, store of value. according to Lord James Keynes, he has stated that money is a link between present and future. Money not only satisfies wants in present, but also makes provision to satisfaction of wants in future. Transfer of value. Money enables to transfer of value from one person to another or from one place to another. Real assets like a building, land can be sold at one place and can be purchased at another place. Now, third function of money, that is contingent function.
Now the third function, contingent function. From that first point, measurement of national income. National income is measured in money terms. In terms of money, it is distributed in four factors: rent, wages, interest, and profit. Land requires rent, labor required wages, entrepreneur requires profit, and any organization requires interest. Basis of credit. Commercial banks they create credit money on basis of primary deposit. Deposits like fixed deposit, current deposit, savings, etc. From which third point impart liquidity to wealth. Liquidity to wealth means money is a most liquid asset. Liquid asset means money can be easily converted into any asset, and any asset can be easily converted into money. Estimation of macroeconomic variables. Macroeconomic variables like GNP, gross national product, total savings, total investment, etc. can be estimated in monetary terms.
Concept of black money. We are very much familiar about this concept since before 2 or 3 years or 5 years, I think. The Prime Minister of India has banned some notes because of this concept. It is a tax evaded money, which means money that is received in cash but not paid, not accounted on which or tax is not paid to the government. It is earned by both legal and illegal ways. Illegal activities means bribery, theft, corruption, etc. Demonetization is one of the tools that have been adopted by many countries to control black money.
Yes.
Explain legal tender money.
Legal tender money means currency and coin that is cannot be refused by any for exchange of goods. As we all use money like these currency notes and coins in day-to-day life, they cannot be refused by anyone for exchange. It is known as legal tender money.
Electronic money, which is a type of money, it is used at the most extent in China and America, but it is not used mostly in India. Can you please explain me why, and can you provide solutions for it?
For Indian people feel very risky for using electronic money. They think that there are many people who fraud them, so they refuse to use electronic money.